Hi friends, in our this video we will learn about Roman numerals. How we can write down a number in Roman numeral system. So first of all, let us be familiar with the symbols of this number. This is 1 and it is written like this symbol, this 1. V is for number 5. If we have to write down 5, we will write this V. X is for 10. L is for 50, C denotes 100, D denotes 500 and M represent 1000. So let's proceed further for the rules, how we write down a number in Roman system. So the number 1 is if a symbol is repeated, its value is added. Means if the symbol like, yes, if we write this x, x. It means 2 times x, 10 plus 10. It means 20. As this 1x represent 10, 10 plus 10. The value is added and this become 20. If we write 1 and 1, it means 1 plus 1. It is 2. If we write 1, 1, 1, in Roman numeral, it means 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Right? So next rule is a symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times. But the symbol VLD cannot be repeated. So this rule says if we repeat any symbol, we cannot repeat symbol more than 3 times. So we can write x, x, x. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. We cannot repeat this symbol more than 3 times. Same way as I told you that 1, 1, 1. So we can write it only, we can repeat the symbol only 3 times. But the symbol represent 5, 50 and 500. They cannot be repeated. We cannot write 10 as VV. No, this is wrong. We can write, if we have to write down 10, we simply write this 10. So symbol of 5, 50 and 500, VLD, they cannot be repeated, right? Let us proceed for the next rule. Hope you are getting. We will practice more after getting familiar with the all rules. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a greater symbol, its value gets added to the greater value. Okay, what it means? It means if we write this, it means this is 5, this is 1. So we just add this 1 to this 5 and we get 6, right? If we write 1, 10 plus 1, it will become 11. So if a smaller value is written at the right of a greater symbol, then the value get added to the greater value. Let us check one another. If we write L and 1, it will become 50 plus 1, 51, right? Let us see another. If we write 10 plus 5, it will become 15. So we have learned 3 rules till now. First one was if the same symbol is repeated, it gets added. But it cannot be repeated more than 3 times, right? And 5, 50 and 500. The symbol represents 5, 50 and 500. They cannot be repeated. And this rule says if a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a greater symbol, its value get added as we have checked in this example. Hope you are getting. We will practice more. Next, if a symbol of a smaller value is written to the left of greater symbol, its value get subtracted from the greater value. Means like this. 1 is smaller than 10. So this will subtract it from this greater value. We will write 10 minus 1 and we get 9. So let us see some more number. If this 1 is written left of this 5, what will become? It will become 5 minus 1, 4. So a smaller symbol is written to the left of a greater symbol, then the value is subtracted, right? अगर हम right में लिखते हैं तो value add हो जाएगी, like 1 is at the right of 10, it will become 11. But if 1 is at the left of 10, it will become 10. It is very simple. So the symbol VLD are written to the left of a greater symbol are never subtracted, right? So 5, 50 or 500, if they are at the left of a greater symbol, they are never subtracted. Very simple. We cannot subtract 5, we cannot subtract 50, we cannot subtract 500 if it is written in the left of any greater symbol, right? We cannot write like this, right? We cannot subtract this 5 from this 10. We get 5. We can write 5 like this, right? So 5, 50 and 500, they cannot return to the left of a greater symbol. Let us see the next one. So here we can see the numbers in Roman numerals. 1, as I told you, this is the symbol for 1 written like this. 2, 1 plus 1, this is for 2. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Now 4, this 1 is written in the left of this symbol 5, 5 minus 1, we get 4. This is symbol for 5. 6, we just add this 1 to this, as we have written this 1 at the right hand side of a greater value. 5 plus 1, we get 6, right? 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. Now 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 8. So this symbol represents 8. As we know, we cannot repeat a symbol more than 3 times. So for 9, what we will do? We subtract 1 from 10. This 1 is written at the left hand side of this 10 and we get 9. This is the symbol of 10. Next one, 11. For 11, we get 10 plus 1, 11. Right? So on for the 12, we write 10 plus 1 plus 1, we get 12. Same way as we have done this series, we can do up to 11 to 19. What we will do? 10 plus 9, 19. 10 plus 8, 18. Right? 20, we can write 10 plus 10, 20. So on, we can write 21, this 20 plus 1. 20, 2, 20 plus 2. 20 plus 3. हाउ वी प्लस? हम जब राइट हैंड साइड में लिखेंगे स्मॉलर डिजिट्स तो ये इसके अंदर ऐड हो जाएंगे एंड वी गेट 23 एंड सो ऑन. 30 can be written 10, 10, 10. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30. As we know, we cannot repeat more than 3 times our symbol. So for 40, we write 50 minus 10. We get 40, right? This symbol is for 50. Again, for 60, 50 plus 10, 60. So it's really very easy. If we go through with all the rules that I have discussed in this video, then we can write any number in the Roman numerals with the help of these rules. So 100 is written C. C is for 100. For 90, we subtract 10 from this 100. We get 90. Let us see if we have to write down a number, how we can calculate. See, if we have to write 90. So for 90, we know 100 minus 10. So for subtraction, we know we write the symbol at the left hand side. We know 100 is C, right? And 10 is this. So this represents 90, right? If we have to write down 32, how we write? First we write 30 plus 2. So what is 30? 30 is x 10, 10, 10. This is 30. And what is 2? This is 32. It is very simple. It's very simple. Just go through with the video. one or two times and try to practice the Roman numerals by your own. Thank you and happy learning.